What is the sum of first 5 odd numbers? Option A, 13. Option B, 17. Option C, 25. Okay, your correct answer is 25. Question number 2. What is the sum of first 3 prime numbers? Option A, 9. Option B, 10. Option C, 11. Can you answer this? Okay, let me tell you. The correct answer is 10. Question number 3. If A plus A is equal to 4, B plus B is equal to 6, and C minus C minus C is equal to 4, then A plus B plus C is equal to what? Option A, 1. Option B, 7. Option C, 15. Can you answer this? Okay, let me tell you the solution. The correct answer is 1. Question number 4. Which number is greater, 5 over 10 or 2 over 2? Option A, 5 over 10. Option B, 2 over 2. Option C, both are equal. Okay, let me tell you the correct answer is 2 over 2. Now we will move to the next one. Question number 5. There are some numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So find the average. Can you answer this? Option A, 7. Option B, 8. Option C, 9. Okay, let me tell you the solution. The correct answer is 8. Question number 6. How many seconds in a week? Option A, 86,200. Option B, 86,300. Option C, 86,400. Can you answer? Okay, let me tell you the correct answer is 86,400. Are you ready for the next question? Question number 7. If A minus A minus A is equal to 2, and B minus B minus B is equal to 4, then B plus A whole square is equal to what? Option A, minus 36. Option B, 36. Option C, 38. Can you answer? Okay, let me tell you the solution. The correct answer is 36. Is it clear now? Question number 8. If 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 8, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 18, then 4 plus 4 is equal to what? Option A, 16. Option B, 26. Option C, 32. Can you answer this? Okay, let me tell you the solution. The correct answer is 32. Is it clear now? Thanks for watching this. If you like it, then follow Basics Learnia